I'm here.
Hi.
I know what it is. It's an incoming call on my
Where
side.
you going? The bedroom?
Yeah.
No.
Anyway, if you take,
What is your name?
okay,
Vivi.
Lily.
Joy.
Joy.
Read.
Good. How old are you?
3.
Where did you live?
Subrecord Medford, Oregon.
What is your mom's name?
Vilma.
Vilma.
Read.
What's your dad's name?
Bruce. Read.
Wow.
Dad. M. Mom. L. Vivi. O-I.
L-I.
L-Y. Vivi. Joy. Read.
Okay, yay! Bye-bye.
Bye. Let's see.